Hi there, this is Randil. Welcome again. In this lesson today, we will be looking at some science. Actually, I have taken this lesson from grade 10 science textbook. We are going to talk about the parts of the plant cell. There are two plant cells we have drawn here on the board. One is observed through the microscope electron, and the next one, the small one, is over here, observed through the light microscope. Basically, when you observe a plant cell through an electron microscope, you can observe many things, many organelles, but not like the light microscope. But when you observe a plant cell through the light microscope, you can observe only few things. But we will talk about it later in our lesson. And if you are new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon next to it. Then you will be notified with our newly posted videos on science, English and geography. This lesson is quite important for grade 10 students and also will be useful for grade 11 students. Without any delay, let's jump into the lesson. As I said in the introduction, you can clearly see one diagram here, the other one is here. This small one is observed through a light microscope. Basically, four things you can observe. At the center, the vacuole. It is clearly visible through the light microscope. And at the same time, you can observe the nucleus here. It has been shifted away to the periphery because of this vacuole at the center. And also see the cytoplasm, which is located between the cell membrane and the tonoplast. And also you can observe the cell wall. These are the four things that you can observe through the light microscope. But when it comes to the electron microscope, there are few things more you should know. And also you must be able to memorize and identify if any question appears at the exam about the plant cell. This is a typical plant cell. For you to identify and memorize each and every organelle, we have prepared this one. For an example, we start from the ribosome here. These are small dots. Actually, they are called ribosomes. They are very important, but there is no plasma membrane around it. And here the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is located between the cell membrane and the tonoplast. Tonoplast is the membrane which covers the vacuole. Between these two, cytoplasm is located. And also extra point, you should remember, all these organelles submerge in the cytoplasm. It's very clear. It's just like the cushion that you have. And to reduce the friction between two organelles. The cytoplasm is very important. I'm not going to talk about much about the cytoplasm in this video, because in my next video about the function of the different organelles in the cytoplasm and also the cell will be discussed in detail. Now let's look at the chloroplast. Chloroplast is also very important organelle which can be taken as the kitchen in the house. Actually, they produce food which are required for all the metabolic activities. Now let's look at the cell sac. Cell sac is here, and we have the tonoplast, which is the outer membrane. This is the tonoplast and this is the cell sac. These two together can be regarded as the vacuole. Then after we have the mitochondrion. Mitochondrion is also very important. We call it the powerhouse. Whatever energy we require for metabolic activities, this one is the main responsible key player in the cytoplasm in the plant cell. Then after that we have the Golgi complex. You can clearly observe this one, and also there are certain tiny vesicles located just around the Golgi. And this is a vacuole, don't worry about this is also a Golgi complex. After that we have this one. This is actually a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here this one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There are no ribosomes attached to it. And here we have the plasma membrane. It is also very close to the cell wall. Then we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because tiny ribosomes are attached to it. Therefore, it gives a smooth structure for this organ. Now let's talk about the nucleus. Nucleus is also very important. It is the main organelle which transmits different hereditary information from one generation to another, and also it is the storage hereditary information for the cell. And here there are two parts basically. We have the nucleolus, there might be one or two nucleolus, and also outer covering is regarded as the nuclear envelope. So here we have the nuclear envelope and here we have the nucleolus. These two together can be taken as nucleus. I think I have given you a clear idea about the different organelles, parts of the typical plant cell when you observe this one through the electron microscope. Alright, we have come to the end of our lesson today. It's very clear and also it's understandable. You will be able to memorize each and every part of this typical plant cell. You know how much important this lesson is. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to have another video on science. Actually, it's about the function of the different organelles in the plant cell. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a clear idea about this. And if you find this video very important and useful, please subscribe to our channel and alarm the notification bell. And also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. This is very important. I hope to see you again with another video on science. Bye for now.